Greetings, this is Marcus from Sport and Cute, and today I will be doing some Roux example solves. These example solves will be at an intermediate level, so let's just get right into it. The scrambles will be in the description, so on with the first solve. This is the scramble. So what I first see is that there is a block right here. This block is a mismatching center block, so this will probably be the best block to choose from. So I see the pieces right here and right here, so I will just solve these first, and I will track the red-white edge right here. So I will do this one like this, and it's already right here, so I'm gonna go straight into that once I insert it like that. And then I see these two when I put this in, so I'm gonna pair that up so it won't waste much time. And I also see this pair, so I would probably do something like this, preserve this pair, and then I would insert this one and then insert the other one like this. Then I will fix the centers like that, and then I would do this case for CMLL. And then I see that one UR edge is right here, and the other one isn't anywhere in the top, so it has to be over here. So it's already set up great, so if you just do an M2, it would solve that up, and then you could just do the cycle case. Moving on to the second scramble, what I first see for the blocks, I could do the green-white and the red-yellow. The red-yellow has a corner attached, so this is probably the best option. And I see the edge that goes in right here over here. So if I insert that edge with the D prime and then have a L and then restore it, it will be pretty easy. I will probably also move this over here while I'm moving the first move, because this would be easier to track over here than over here. So I would just get right into it, do something like that, and then I would do these two pieces, something like that. And then I see that the edge that goes with the center is right here, so I'll just do it like that. But I also see that these two pieces correspond to each other, so if I move this over here, I could pair it up with a U prime after I restore this like that, and then I'll take it out and then insert, and then I see these two pieces. I'll just do the case for this like that, and then I'll just do the CML case like that. And then for the EO, I can make the arrow like that, and the orange is right here and the red is right here. So I'm gonna do some AOLR like that to put both of these in the bottom, and then I'm gonna move this in. And right here, this would add an extra move. It's right here because you'll do a U2 anyways, so I'll just do a U prime, so, and then a U2 AUF, and that's it for the solve. This is the third scramble. So what I first see is that there is a pair right here and a pair right here. So I'm gonna check if the green yellow or the green white block is better. So this right here is flipped, so if I move this over, it wouldn't be as great of a solution, so I would do this one. So what I would do is that I would move this center over here, and then I'll insert this, so I'll do it like this. And then once I insert this, I'll influence this like that and do it at the same time to save some time. do this pair and insert, and then here's the edge here, and I see this pair is already paired up, so I'll just insert that in while I do it, and then I'll do this pair, insert, and this is a pretty nice case, like that, and then I'll do it. There's already an arrow, so I'll just do this, move this down like that, and then finish that up, and here's one of the cycles case, so I'll do it like this. Here is the fourth scramble. So what I first see is that this long pair could be used for line block building, and also this pair. So I'm gonna do the orange yellow because it's a bit easier to do the second pair. So if you move these in paired with each other, go in like that, and then do this pair like this, and then do the M move at the same time, like that, and then I'll move this up right here, insert it, and I see that these two are right here, so I'm gonna put it in, but not with like that. I'm gonna do it with like this, so that these two are easier to solve. So I'll do this pair, and then I'll do this pair. It's already connected, so I'll just insert it, and then I'll do this case, and then here's the EO. Do it like this. I'll insert this orange, red right edge right here, because the orange white is already in the front. So just do it like that, and I already see these two are matching with this edge, so I'll just do that to save some moves. And I also see that right here could go with this block, so I'll do it in like this to save some moves. So that is it for the fourth scramble. Here is what the last scramble looks like. There aren't any obvious blocks, but I do see some center edge pairs. So I'm not seeing anything great for most of them. I think that the red-white seems the best. So I'll do this pair first, and this edge is already close up. So I'll just do it like that. This will flip, so I would just move this down after. So go in like that, and then pair it up like this, and then insert. The edge is already connected, so I'll pair these two up while inserting this, so I'll do it like that, and then do an R2 because that's better to solve that pair, and then I'll do this pair like that, and I see that these two are opposites, so I will do this L case, and then I'll do the EO for this case, so one right here and one right here. Do it like that, and I already see that this edge is red-yellow, so I'm not gonna put it down over here because it would be too far from each other, and that will take a lot of moves. So I'll just do it like this, so that these two will already be at the bottom, like that, and then I'll do it, move it in like that, and then I got this easy nest for C case. That is it for these example solves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy content like this, please like and subscribe to Sporting Cubed, and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload. See ya!